So I noticed that my sink was leaking the other day. It's actually leaking from the bottom of this downpipe here, or ptrap, whatever you want to call it. I decided to go ahead and fix it, and I wanted to make a video just to show everyone how easy and simple this really is. All you need is one tool, a pair of channel locks, and no, I couldn't find an older or crappier pair of these things, and basically a couple minutes. Now, all you have to do is you'll take these channel locks, you're going to twist this bolt here, nut, whatever, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, same way with this one here. And once you do that, these are going to come loose. That whole piece drops off. So this is the part that leaks. You can see the hole in it there. So yeah, it rotted through. Now I'm also going to replace this wall portion here, and it's along the same lines. There's a nut back here that holds it to the wall. All you gotta do is pull this thing out, loosen up that nut, and then pull this whole gunked up nasty thing out of the wall. So keep in mind, sewer gases can come out of here, so that's why this whole setup exists. So you don't want to leave this open for any sort of extended period of time. Now the next step is go get your repair parts. Now I got this entire bag of parts for $3 at a big box home store. You just want to make sure you get the right size. This happens to be 1 1/4 inch. And I took this to the store with me. I just took it, put it in a Ziploc bag, took it in the store with me, found the right part. So, first we'll go ahead and open up this bag. And like I said, it is this part and the wall portion, as well as the nuts and washers that you need. Now, the thing with this is the other one is clearly metallic. This is plastic. I rent this house, so the bottom line is I don't care. Also, this was $3. The metal one is $20. So why wouldn't I just use this? It's going to be real simple. It's just going to stick on there. I'll put the new portion in the wall, and that's pretty much all there is to it. I am, however, going to need to borrow some parts from the old because the nut that came with the new one isn't going to fit. But that's easy enough. Just gonna have to work this off of here. Now, yes, these pipes are completely grody and disgusting, so you're gonna wanna wear gloves for this part, for sure. All right. And then for the most part, it's just as simple as sticking all this stuff back together. You can do a dry fit first just to make sure everything is going to be okay. All right, now, as far as getting this put back together, it wouldn't call for this tape here. We'll go ahead and use it anyways. I like the tape because it makes it more waterproof. Even though you don't need it and it comes with this washer, I'm still going to put a layer on there anyhow, just to make sure I don't get any leaks. Certainly isn't going to hurt anything. If you've never used this tape before, you just want to do one quick wrap on the threads. Overlap just a little bit, and then you can just break it off of there. It's not adhesive, but if you overlap, it will stick. And then you basically don't have to do anything else from there. When you put the nut on, it'll cinch it all up and make a much better seal. Sorry, it looks like I forgot to assemble this here correctly, but that's okay. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. So the part with the washer goes on this top portion here. Now, if there's any confusion as to how it works, there's actually instructions right on the back of here. But like I said, it's pretty simple. So if you need the instructions, you know, it's cool. They're there for you. But I think that for the most part, as long as you remember how you took it off of there, you probably should not need them. From there, it's really just a matter of reconnecting everything and making whatever adjustments that you need to make sure everything fits. These plastic nuts make it much easier because you can get a good grip on them when you're hand tightening them. And that's it. So, whatever amount of time that took me, my sink is fixed. I'm going to tighten these up. But if I were to turn on the water, oh, looks like I tightened. Looks like I loosened that up, but yep, there we go. I forgot I loosened this up a little bit last night, but yeah, that's it. So, easy enough. Save yourself a ton of money. The important thing is just make sure you get the right replacement parts. And if you want to do metal for metal, that's fine. But the plastic is certainly much cheaper. So if you're doing a rental or something, go with the plastic. Plus, this was already replaced with plastic anyway, so the aesthetics is basically ruined anyhow. So what's the point? All right. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please check out the rest of my channel. Like it, click subscribe. Got plenty of random stuff on this channel, and have a good day.